wake up saying today's the day. Throw the bad habits all away. Coffee cold, my head still numb. By noon I'm back to what I've become. Mirror says I look the same. Different sunrise, different shame. Always chasing someone new, never catching up to who I once knew. I'm so tired of drawing finish lines just to watch myself rewind. Every promise disappears, suffocating beneath my fears. I always say I'll be better by tomorrow. Tomorrow comes, I'm the same as yesterday. Nothing ever seems to change. No, not at all. I always wish I'd be better by tomorrow. Tomorrow comes and I just don't give a fuck. Maybe someday I will be enough. No, not at all. Fill my room with plans and goals, sticky notes and broken notes. Every version that I tried ends up buried deep inside. Friends all say you'll figure it out. I just smile while filled with doubt. How many times can hope restart before it finally falls apart? Every midnight feels brand new. Every morning proves it's not true. Running circles in my head, well, tomorrow's always dead. I always say I'll be better by tomorrow. Tomorrow comes, I'm the same as yesterday. Nothing ever seems to change. No, not at all. I always wish I'd be better by tomorrow. Tomorrow comes and I just don't give a fuck. Maybe someday I will be enough. No, not at all. No, not at Maybe I just need some motivation. Maybe I just need some medication. Maybe I've been over-assessing. If I could clear my head, that's always messy. So if today is all I'm getting, and tomorrow never comes for me, would I choose to be so weak? Or would I find the voice to speak? I always say I'll be better by tomorrow. Tomorrow comes, I'm the same as yesterday. Nothing ever